Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kelp stock. This foundational ingredient is incredibly versatile, adding a subtle umami depth to soups, stews, and sauces. It's surprisingly easy to prepare at home with just a few simple steps and common kitchen items. We'll walk through selecting the best kelp, combining it with water, and simmering it to perfection. Get ready to elevate your cooking with this wholesome, flavorful stock. To begin, gather your key ingredients. You'll need approximately 1 ounce of dried kelp, which is often found in Asian markets or health food stores. For the best flavor, use 8 cups of cold, filtered water. This ensures a clean, pure taste for your stock. Additionally, have a large, non-reactive pot ready for simmering and a fine mesh strainer for later. These simple items are all you need to start this delicious journey. Now let's get cooking. Place your 1 ounce of dried kelp directly into the 8 cups of cold, filtered water in your large pot. It's crucial to start with cold water to allow the kelp's flavors to extract gradually. Slowly bring the mixture to a very gentle simmer over medium-low heat. Do not let it come to a rolling boil, as this can make the stock bitter. Maintain a gentle simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes. Once your kelp stock has simmered for 20 to 30 minutes, it's time for the final steps. Carefully remove the kelp pieces from the pot using tongs or a slotted spoon, then strain the liquid through your fine mesh strainer to ensure a clear stock. Let the stock cool completely to room temperature before transferring it to airtight containers. You can store this delicious, homemade kelp stock in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or freeze it for longer use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.